mga igsoon nga ni Kristo, mga igsoon nga kaparian, medyo daghan jud ang mga pari karon, mga religious brothers, religious sisters, mga novices, mga postulants, mga seminarians, both from the discipleship year, o I think ang uban na sa propedeutic year, ang uban na sa configuration year o stage, mga vocation promoters, mga lay faithful, mga families, ganya karon nini sa Makausapa. We are on the first day of the month of September. Sa atong Archdiocese Davao is a local tradition nga ang bulan, the month of September, is a month that we call Vocation Month. Medyo shortcut. I would prefer Vocation Promotion Month. Nalipay ko kay last year we had an event like this in town, pandemic pa, very sparse, dili kay puno. Karon I'm very edified sa mga pari. Magtanaw ko mga most of them are formators, na taga college seminary, na taga major seminary, na mga religious, mga formators, formation houses, mga madre, nindot pag-ayo. It's quite obvious tata pag-ayo nga niya kita, because to promote, to campaign for vocations, the number one task is not to go out, but to stay and pray. In the scriptures, we are reminded, painom ka nato nga, we pray, mag-ampo kita, mangaliya kita. We ask, we request the Lord of the harvest, muhangyo ta niya, to give us more workers in the vineyard. Mao kana ang atong gibuhat karon ining special nga paagi, nining worship, nining misa, anya kita nangamuyo sa Ginoo, nga tagan kitag mga lumilihok sa barasan. Well, we all know also, I always repeat, magbantay kita, pingunta Vocation Month. Vocation does not only, emphasize, does not only mean religious vocation sa pagkapari, pagkamadre, pagkabrother. No. Bantay tamaw nang ang opening prayer, ikaw nag-ahwag sa tanan. Tanan, it's a quote, tanang mga binyagan to discover unsa ang tawag sa Ginoo nato, unsay buot ipabuhat sa unsay role nato in the world, so that sa atong pagkabinyagan tagatagsa makasangyaw kita sa maayong balita. That means very crucial, ang pagkabana, pagkasawa is a vocation. Vocation na, dako kaya na. One way of looking at it, ang pagka-teacher ay vocation na. Sa tinuray lang, basta dulot sa bukog, to care for the land, mga farmers, to produce food, to care for the farms, passionate pag-ayo sila sa mga tanom. That's another call from the Lord. Ang situation lang, because there's other areas, vocation, vox, vocal, meaning voice, call, ang call. Meaning also, the amplified picture is, kung dunay voice, vox, call, vocal, call. Kung dunay call sa Ginoo, that means automatic, may unta kung dunay ba, dunay voice, dunay maminaw. So also today we pray that when we campaign for the particular, more limited na, kay dili kayo popular, vocation to the priesthood, vocation to the religious life, dili kayo lagi popular, mura kanta, counter current sa kinabuhi karon. Mag-ampo kita nga mag-create ang sitwasyon nga sayon paminawon sa atong mga batanon ang maong tawag sa Dios. so that listening will be easier. So that ang madungog sa atong mga kabataan, mga young people, especially sa team, sa family, medyo hinay-hinay, dili lecture, dili murag ditso-ditso. Pero ang ilang madungog, hinay-hinay, day in and day out, makabantay sila nga ang ginikanan, mahal ang simbahan, mahal ang Ginoo. Murag ang sulti sa maginikanan sa family, mao nga always paminahon unsay buot sa Dios ipabuhat sa atong kinabuhi. Then I believe medyo sa mga batanon, mga babae, lalaki, na medyo sayon nila ang pag-listen, pagpaminaw sa tawag sa Ginoo. Di ba tamo adto sa religious vocation sa pagkapari, balik ta sa iyon ako, kaning tawag sa, di lang limited sa tawag sa pagkapari, pagkamadre. Maybe a good number of priests are aware. Dunay katingalahan kayo, talagsaon nga, meeting Santo Papa, I think this week. Dili to sa mga cardinal, pero na-meeting karon gitawag ang mga selected artists all over the world. Ang nabasahan ako mga at least 25 artists, singers, painters, writers, artists in the broad sense, no? Mga actors, actresses. 25. One of them I read quite popular sa Pilipinas, laki, si Denzel Washington, the black actor. He is there, no? Now, itawag Santo Papa tungod kay sa ilang field, sa ilang profession, silang skills, more than profession, they are called by the Lord in their gifts as artists, writers, music, acting, to convey the good news of the Lord to the people of today. They are called in that sense, special gifts, special contribution to the world. So that is, I believe that Pope Francis, he will speak to them, would somehow in his own Francis style, would encourage them to see their work, to see their profession as a calling, not only to amass wealth and honor and popularity, but to contribute to the well-being of the world. Nakurat ko, I cannot refrain myself. See, Denzel Washington, because of his name came up, medyo internet I can search now. He was asked something like that in a recent interview. How do we deal with your children, with young people today? This famous actor, black, Denzel Washington, ingon siya, like our theme today, he said, it begins in the family. It begins in the family. No? Mura mag si Denzel Washington, nakabasa sa team sa Davao, ang family, ang atong team. Ingon siya, another, abstract, dili ni madre, dili ni, another example in this, because triggered by this meeting in Rome with the Holy Father, ang usa ka actor, stand-up comedian, I will not mention his name, you know him, I think you know him, he's stand-up comedian and also an actor sa movies. Ang main niya trabaho karon stand-up comedy, he lost millions of dollars, millions ang offer, because he refused sa iyang stand-up comedy to use popular katawanan nga bastos words. So therefore, he was losing not only thousands, millions of dollars. I refuse to do that. Kung kayo siya, Hollywood kayo siya, but I refuse to do that. You see, people are beginning to see how we impact the world today. Another one, I can't refrain, another one, there's a movie, Hollywood movie, on Padre Pio. The actor, it seems, dili racist, it seems that ang name sa actor, but Amerikano na, murag Middle East name. Basta Middle East name. Pero Amerikana, kuang kayo siya, worldly kayo. Mura bago, wine, meals, girls, tanan nga mga bisyo. But when he has to study the role of Padre Pio, you know what? Pinaka in sa world. Now, he converted to Catholicism. So we say, my dear friends, di lang kayo ni mga madre, mga pari, kung tinuro na to, each one in the world today will discover his or her calling from the Lord to bring his life at the service, contribution for the world to realize that we are only the children of God, has a purpose not on our own, but padulong sa giharian sa langit. And in the world today, like the opening prayer, nga itong gigamit karon, sa tanan nga gitawag, doon pipila nga gitawag po, nga gipulog, gibutang sa opening prayer, mas musunod sa tunob ni Kristo, sa mas fuller way. Dili kita nga maayo, gitawag. Mao kana ang gitawag sa pagkapari, pagkamadre, pagkareliyoso, pagkabrother, o pagkamadre. In the world today. Now, nalipay ko kay ania kita pananglitan sa Davao, dili kay dako ang Davao. Ang nitambong karon nining atong pagampo alang sa bukasyon, especially bukasyon sa pagkapari, pagkamadre, pagka-religious brother, no? Pinakabuok, dunay religious men, dunay 12 kabuok, unya mga religious women, dunay 21 ka grupo. My dear friends, 12 ka mga men nga grupo, unya 21 ka mga madre, mga women. That's a big number. Ato palakpakan sila. And of course, makita niyo ang mga formandees, mga postulants, mga novices, mga seminarians, both in the pre-propedeutic year, in the college, and in the major seminary. Unya, sa ato sa RCC Davao, ang bagong development mauni, nga maningkamot kita nga kada parokya, dunay point person para sa vocation campaign activities. Dili ang masalig sa kura paroko, maningkamot nga doon na pag-partner ang kura paroko sa parish, nga mo'y atong atuan. May mutabang siya og organize, advertise, unsa ba, painumnom ba sa parokya, sa mga butang may kalabutan sa atong dili lang September, but ongoing paningkamot nga kita dili sa pagminyo, bukasyon na, pagkabana, pagkasawa, pagka-teacher, uban pa. Pero in particular nga unta, maningkamot kay lisod paminawon ang tawag sa pagkapari, pagkamadre, o pagka-brother. Karong first year ng natabo, dunay 16. Dunay 16 sila Jennifer Arnanez, si Benedita Sanchez, Maria Michelle Chavez, Rosemary Pondias, Teresita Barsagan, Rogelio Barsagan, Eulalio Patayon, Lourdes Pahuta, Leonides Lalien, Telma Bernasor, Milagros de los Reyes, Lucita Dagoy, Ermelinda Valdez. Unya, padayon pa, si Carmelina Villarosa, Henry Evangelista, Mary Grace Caracha, Mark Anthony Munisit, Madeline Tito, Domingo Alog, Manuel Labutap Jr., Marilo Ipal, Judith Tabliso, Estelia Ramos, Marisa Punzalan, Rosalinda Paguntalan, Brenda Hermoso, Salome Caldaba, Efren Mejos, Mejias, Ruth Bakyal, Terso Bakyal, Lloyd Vincent Reyes, o ni Caridad Kambarihan. 16. Hopefully, mo-increase kini ang mga vocation promoters sa mga madre, mga religious fathers, di lang ta makadto sa pari sa parokya, duna na tayo point person nga matuan sa atong parokya, sa kada parokya nga atong atuan, nga mo coordinate uban kang Father Arcillas, atong Vocation Promotion Director, aron mo improve ang atong paningkamot nga ang kabatanunan, I repeat, makadungog. Dunay posibilidad nga mag-listen sila, mamati sila sa tawag sa Dios. Mga igsoon, duha ka final things nining atong launching sa Vocation Month. In what way from the liturgy today can we see the importance of a pari, of a madre, of a brother, mga religious in our midst? Nindot ang first reading nga nag-ingon karon. For the wisdom of the world is foolishness in the eyes of God, for it is written, God catches the wise for their own ruses. And again, the Lord knows the thought of the wise, that they are vain. Medyo ang kaway sa kalibutan kusog. Daghan ang dili makita sa logic sa Ginoo. Ang pari, not because we are excellent, that we are bright, that we are skilled, but simply gamiton to sa Ginoo sa katilingban in the church, nga makita sa mga tao, even they would just start questioning, nganong nagmadre man na siya, nga pwede man siya nindot magmaestra? Nindot degree holder na, nagtrabaho na sa bangko, o bright, wa pa siya trabaho, pero nindot man siya, bright pa unta na. Ngano man ang young man, may barog, may manulti, ginasahan, magpari siya. What is there? The mind of God is difficult to read. But when young men, young women, gifted, inyong kaila, tayo sa katilingban, dili ka makabuang sila, wise man yung mga bayana, mga bata. Pero why is it that they choose to become a priest, to become a religious? Di siguro matubag nila, at least mingon sila, murag buang ni sila, pero there must be something. And especially kung makita nila nga ang nagmadre o nagpari, pagkanindot sa payom, pagkamalipayon, bisan kita biyaan ang nindot nga opportunity sa kinabuhi. then I hope they begin to see the logic of God, the sense of God, the ways of God, the wisdom of the Lord in the life that we have chosen. Very important witness. Mao to, ingon ako, top class, stand-up comedian sa US. He missed earning millions of dollars, but he would not. Choosing the logic of God, his peers, his kauban started to question, what is the logic of this person? Why is he willing to lose the world, to lose money, to lose opportunities? Then perhaps, and we pray, they'll see the answer, that he is happy, he is contented, following the Lord. These are stand-up comedians, very secular, very worldly, but more so for priests and religious. Then second and last reflection, I think more important, coming from the gospel. We know the scene, very familiar. We know that in the past years, the famous Latin two words, Duc in altum, that's very popular. But I would consider this reflection on the readings. We tell ourselves that Peter and company, I repeat, Peter and company, veteran fishermen, skilled fishermen, they know their work. They work all night with skill, veterans, full, no doubt, all night. That's why ang reading siya, Lord, kung gamiton pa siya, amo, si Jesus ba? Hindi ro gabi minanagat, howd mi ani. They got nothing. Campaigning, of course, the main purpose of the gospel is spreading, working, fishing for men, yes. But in the narrow sense, particular sense, fishing for candidates for the priesthood and religious life, vocation promoters. Maybe the challenge is, have we work all night? Have we work all night? And then, have we not only listened to ourselves, but have we listened to the Lord after trying our best? Have we listened to the Lord who say, one more time, trust me, cast your nets into the deep. Very important reminder then, my dear friends, that to catch candidates for vocation is not all our paningkamot, but it is always with the voice of the Master, of the Lord of the harvest. That is why in this Mass, my dear friends, we pray together in the Church of Davao, together to the Lord of the harvest, and we pray that we try our best, we appreciate our calling, we portray and show to people that we are happy with our vocation, and to campaign for some more. We try our best, but also in the end, to tell the Lord, Lord, this is your enterprise. Once more, we will cast our nets into the deep.